I'm Rick Callaghan, and I'm a Volkswagen junkie. As being a Volkswagen junkie, in 1950, the Volkswagen Beetle was introduced here into Canada, and I tell you, this is my pride and joy. 1963 Bug, and being a VW junkie, this is the best. This is the back of the 63 Beetle that I have, and let's just have a little bit of look here in the engine. One of the things you'll find, 1100 cc's, which they called 1156, had 40 horsepower. 40 horsepower is basically what a lawnmower engine has in today's relation. Compared to today's standards, the luxury items in this car, the accessories were a fuel gauge and an AM radio. That was it. This is my 1969 Karmann Ghia, and I tell you, the sports car of the Volkswagen, one of my favorite that's out there. I bought it after the 63 Bug. What a neat car. Right here on the 69 Karmann Ghia, again, it's got a fuel gauge and also it has a clock. That's about it. Being a VW junkie, it helps to own your own garage. Here at 410 Auto, not only do we service Volkswagen Beetles, we also do ground-up restorations like this 1970 Cabriolet. This car came to us in a box. It was full of parts. Now you see it. Beautiful job done. It was raw sheet metal. We put it all together for about $10,000. It's appraised at $18,000. Not a bad deal. Not only do I collect the big cars, but I also collect the small ones too. This race car from the 1930s, Sir Malcolm Racer, was appraised at over $500. I have 8 of these, and I'm still not done. If you see me on the road, give me the sign.